a video of me.
So let me ask you something. Would you like to drive this car?
Yeah.
You do?
All
right, go ahead, get in the driver's seat. Show me what you gonna do. See that? All right, let it go. That's how you gonna drive, okay? So you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right then. So good morning, Pack Nation, Slime Pack Nation. Listen, I'm about to go make a video with somebody very special. They've been asking and asking to be in one of my videos. So I told them, look, get you a haircut and then you could be in my video. So I'm about to go shoot a video right now with him. But before I get into anything, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Like this video, drop a green emoji when the video is over with. Come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. So, y'all, this is who I was talking about going to pick up. So, listen, it's your time now. I got you here on the video. I got the car right here. And what you got to say to the people? What you got to say to the Slime Pack Nation, the Pack Nation?
Okay, go get y'all merch, man.
What's the website?
Website, slimepack.com.
Nah, .store. You almost had it. What else you got to say?
Oh, yeah. Always subscribe to Slime Pack all the time. No matter you hater, just subscribe.
Just subscribe. Say that again. Run that back.
No matter you hater, just subscribe.
That's it. No matter if you're a hater, just subscribe. Right? It costs free to subscribe, right?
Yep.
Hello?
Yep.
All right, so what we about to do?
We about to,
you gonna drive the car or I'm gonna drive the car?
I want to steer.
You gonna drive the car or I'm gonna drive the car?
I want to drive the car.
Oh, so you gonna drive the car?
Yeah.
How about go ahead and crank it up? That wind noise is crazy. How about get behind the car and then we're gonna let you crank it up here.
Why?
Just come on. Just come on, I'm gonna show you.
Okay. Oh, I would not want.
Just stand right here. Stand right here.
Yeah.
All right, you see this button right there with the 2?
Yeah.
That means you got to press it 2 times real quick. Like that? How it sound?
It sounds good.
Good? You want to rev it up?
Huh?
You want to rev it up? Now, you can't do too much because there's some neighbors around here, so we're gonna rev it up at another area, okay? So hop in the back seat and we're about to go.
Yeah.
So I got him in the back. Y'all heard him just talking, you know. He recording on the camera and I'm recording on my iPhone, so I'm gonna be switching back and forth to different camera views so y'all can see his reaction and y'all can see some of me in the video.
Okay, y'all can see Jazz. If y'all go check out her new video on YouTube, it's a pretty cool video up on there. It's like a video of me holding the camera up there. It was filmed at the house, then she left with the camera.
One thing about him, he gonna run his mouth and tell your business.
Okay, this is probably like my second time. I mean, my first time me and Jazz. Well,
You lying.
I mean, my first time me and Jazz.
You lying.
This is my second time in her car.
I still think you lying.
Well, my on 4th time.
Ready to hear a little bit of the exhaust?
Yup. Gee! Y'all definitely need to try out her car. Her car lasts. That junk sound good. Yup.
Yeah,
We
like that.
going by a buy and ride.
You ready for that?
Yup.
Oh, you ready? Alright.
That junk fast. Do you know this road?
Like that.
Yeah. We could make loud noises over here.
Oh, yeah. That was crazy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, y'all, so we just got done riding around. Didn't want to cause too much noise around town because it's still early in the morning. So what you think about it?
It was cool.
How loud is it? Is it real loud?
Yeah.
So let me ask you something.
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to drive this car?
Yeah.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, go ahead, get in the driver's seat. Show me what you gonna do. How you crank it up? You can't crank it up? You gotta put your feet on the brake first. Hold your foot on the brake. You know what the brake is?
Right here?
Yeah. Now hold the button to crank it up. Hold the button. Woo. Now put your foot on the other one and just step on it and let it go. Alright. See that? Alright, let it go, let it go. That's how you gonna drive, okay? So you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright then.
What?
What'd you just say?
Nothing.
Go ahead, say it again. What'd you just say?
I ain't sure if I'm ready to drive because I'm little.
Oh,
But
you ain't
I'm
sure?
Ready. I'm ready.
Nah, I got you in the driver's seat. Now you ain't sure.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
You ready? Show me what you got.
What, drive?
Yeah, what's the first step?
Hit this.
The first step is putting on your seatbelt.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I can't see, though.
Huh?
I can't see, though.
I don't know what you want me to tell you, man.
Hold up. This what I could do.
What you gonna do?
And do I hit this?
You tell me. You said you knew how to drive. Man, get out of the car, yo. You too young to drive, okay? When you get a little bit older, you get some license or permit, you'll let you drive. Okay? You look sad. You look sad, man.
Let me crank it up one more time.
You want to cut it off and crank it up again. What's that? You like that? So you had fun in the car?
Yep.
Ready to do it again?
Yep.
You gonna have some gas money the next time?
I'm gonna get my mama to get it.
Alright, y'all, this video is over. Make sure y'all do what?
Subscribe and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button.
And tell them to leave a comment down below.
Leave the comment down below and follow her on Facebook and everywhere.
It's everywhere.
YouTube.
And stop playing with what?
Facebook. Stop playing with slime.
Yes,
Peace, y'all.